Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Facebook profile and remove your high school information, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to delete your high school from your Facebook page on a PC, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, look for the About section, which you'll find beneath your cover photo. Click on About to open up all the details about your profile. From here, find and select Work and Education on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your educational and professional information is stored. Scroll down until you see the section labeled School. Next to the name of your high school, you'll notice 3 small dots. These are your options for editing or deleting this information. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up. From here, choose Delete School. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this information. Confirm your choice, and that's it. Your high school will be deleted from your Facebook page. It's always a good idea to double-check your profile after making changes. Refresh your page and make sure the high school information is no longer visible. If you ever want to add it back or update your education details, you can always return to the same section and make the changes you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.